police station, whether it's a local, whether it's a DCC office, those offices don't belong to the government of Kenya, but belong to the people of Kenya, because that is where the people of Kenya go to receive government businesses, government services to improve their life going forward. Na wale wakora wale wachochezi, those who incited goons to touch government buildings, to destroy the properties belonging to the people of Kenya, and they are now lecturing the police. The police of Kenya are well trained. The police of Kenya know which criminal is armed and dangerous and who is not armed and who is not dangerous. Our police officers understand their full standing orders. You cannot teach them on when and how to use their firearm. They know they are properly trained and they know when to use it. They know which criminal is dangerous. They know which criminal is harmless. So don't teach our forces on how to use the resources that Kenyans have given them to protect life and properties.